All right, so today I'm going to go into my PLR. It will be from Jimmy D. Brown. It will be the perfect offer cheat sheet. And you'll see what I got, what I'm going to change, how easy this is. It will be free, besides buying the PLR. And I'll show you how easy this is, how I'm going to make my first product with you, watching all the steps. This is not hard to do. This is really not hard to do. You're going to look at this and go, why don't I know this? Yeah, it's that easy. So when I'm done, I'm going to finish one cheat sheet, and all I have to do is go back to the product and repeat that for the rest of the product. It's so easy. Watch this entire video and you'll get it. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. And get that cheat sheet. Really, click on that link below the video, and not only will you get the cheat sheet, you're going to get on my email list. It's so vital to get on the email list. You're not going to have all these emails saying buy this, buy that, and this offer. You'll get some of it once in a while, but this is all about how to use the PLR that you bought, how to buy PLR, and how to create products out of this, and how to make a business out of this. I'm really here to help you. Truly. Get on that list. Do it. Stop the video. Get on the list. Click. Do it. Do it. Do it. So let's look at the product. You're looking at my Mac screen, and this is my list of PLR products. And it's a lot. It says 176 items, but you realize a lot of these have folders inside of folders. There's a lot of stuff that I've bought. And the one I want to show you is from Jimmy D. Brown. He's basically the inventor of private label rights, PLR. And you can see, I think I bought just about everything he has ever sold. So the one I want to show you right now is opt-ins and orders. This is the original sales page. And this is probably, how long ago was this? This was 2018. And it's 12 cheat sheets that will show you how to get more people to join your list and buy whatever you're selling. And I liked it. Just to let you know, I bought it for $100. You could get the personal use for $20, but I wanted to buy it, use it, and maybe sell it for $20. So this is what you get. You get all these items that you can see right here. All of these. And they look like this. They're very pretty. Jimmy loves this orange and blue and all these icons. He loves all this stuff, and it's a style. It looks nice. And he explains what they are and what they're not. There aren't complete, in-depth instructional manuals. Basically, he condensed all the information into a cheat sheet. And it's something that you could buy this and use it in your business. So the reason I want to use these cheat sheets as my first example in changing PLR into a product is we only have to change one thing. Because if we go into all this and start changing icons and colors, and I don't think it's necessary. However, there's two things you want to change. And the first thing is his logo. And the second one is a link. So when you see the real product, there's a link here and there's a link there. So because unless you have Photoshop, it's really difficult to put a link into the logo and this line here. So I'm going to change this logo to mine, and I'm going to replace this item here, or I might just remove the whole thing because it's not really necessary. So you get all those. These are the PSD pages, and I'll show you how to change this for free. And you get all of the banners and the actual sales letter that I would recommend changing it. And you have all of the images that comes with it. This is the original product. I got the rights. This is what it looked like on the sales page. And there is also, if you wanted to use as a lead magnet, one of these. Looks like that. And you could see I changed it with my logo. And that's all you have to really change. The logo and this link. So let me show you how to do this really quickly and easily. And I use Photopea. It's free. I love that word. Now, if you have a free account, you get these ads, or you could just ignore it and not worry about it. And if you want to pay and not see these ads, well, that's your choice. But I'm not paying, and I ignore them. So here's how this works. These are PSD sheets. Now, a PSD is something that you need a Photoshop product, like Photoshop or something similar, to change it. Instead, I'm going to use Photopea. And all you have to do is drag this here, and it's done. Nice? And it costs you nothing. So I can click around, or I can go over here, and I know that in the footer, this is the footer, I click on that, that disappears. See that? We're almost done. Now I want to put my logo there. Well, how do I do that? Here are all my logos. So I'm going to just drop it here. Drag it there. How hard is that? Right? Next, I could change this. I could take that out. And the easiest way is just to hide it. Just like that. Just click on the eye. And I could put text there. But you know what? If you read that, click here for more resources. I don't think it's necessary. So I'm just going to click on that and not worry about it. And then we're going to export it as a JPEG. Now you might think, well, why don't I export it as a PDF? Well, unfortunately, when you save it as a PDF, you realize this is free. That's what it looks like. So it doesn't really work out. But don't fear, there's another way to get a PDF. Yeah. What you do is you open up the JPEG in preview, and I'm using a Mac, and I export it as a PDF. Does it work? Save, use PDF, and the PDF. Beautiful. And remember, this costs nothing. Free, free, free. So realize I created this, which is the lead magnet of this product. So if I want to make up a whole product, I go and change every single one of this. So how long would that take? Maybe, what, half hour? Because it's just open it up, Photopea, change the logo, delete the last line over and over and over and over, make them all PDFs, and you have a product. So does this make sense that if you owned a product like this and it's PLR and you buy it and you just change a few things, how hard is that? You end up with a real product, sell it for 20 bucks, and you're in business. You get 5 sales, that's $100. 5 sales. How hard was that? Wasn't that easy? Get good PLR, and I'll do some videos about that. I've done it before, but I want to update some of those things and give you my reasons why I get what I get, and where to get them. And when you click on that link in the description, you'll get the cheat sheet. You'll really get it. It's really amazing, especially for PLR people. And you'll get on my list, and you'll find out how to do this. Really do that. When this is done, click on that link, get on my list, get the cheat sheet. You'll love it. In the meantime, if you have any questions, comments, anything, put them in the comment section below this video. I really read them. I answer. Or if you're on my email list, you can email me and I will reply, usually that day. And people are amazed. I can't believe you're actually replying. I'm here to help you. Really do this. And you'll see this will actually work for you. It's amazing. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.